Hello. I am back at you with another quick one here. So in this video, I'm going to go through a little quick overview for the fundamentals of estimating. And I am also on this video going to be letting you know about the new course that I just dropped. And it is called The Fundamentals of Estimating. It is on my Skool community, and that's where you can access it at. I will put the link in the description below because I know that you guys will be very excited to check it out and kind of see what it has going for it. But I generally go through, all of the lower level things of what's going on whenever you first get started for estimating, and it'll be a great help to those that just were getting started. I know it would have been a great help to myself because I was looking everywhere. I was looking all across Google. I was looking all across Reddit for different information and trying to put parts and pieces together for what the lifestyle would be like. Like, what am I getting myself into? Do I actually know what I'm getting myself into? And I put all of that in there for you guys. So the very, simple things about estimating when you first get started off is to learn simply what a set of plans looks like. And that'll be the point of this video right now, is blueprints and plans. And that's actually the name of my group now. I think about it, I should have told you guys what the name of it is on Skool. So my group is the Estimating Blueprint, and come join, become a member. So for a simple set of blueprints, so you see how there is an A, so A point or A 0.1, and the sheet up under it, or it just says sheet, and it also says 2 of XX, how many ever. That, is for the architectural sections of sheets. So you have an architectural section. Right after architecturals, there's normally structural plans. Normally the mechanical comes after the structural, the plumbing comes after the mechanical, and then the electrical comes after the plumbing. And mechanical is just HVAC, so heating, ventilation, air and cooling, which everybody pretty much knows what that is. But most people don't really know what mechanical is unless you start looking at it or learning about it or becoming an estimator and having to look through the plans all the time, just like I do. So that's where you're going to be starting at. You're going to learn how to figure out what goes where on the plans, what is associated with what in the plans. Like, you'll realize or start to understand that all the site work, the floor plans, the reflected ceiling plans, the elevations, so let me go through each one of those. So the floor plan is just going to be if you were looking at the building from the top and you wanted to see what was going on from the top of the building, kind of like a God's eye view or a bird's eye view or something like that, and you're just looking straight down. That's the floor plan. When you're looking straight up at whatever it is, so let's say for right now, you're going to find the ceiling grid, you're going to find the acoustical ceiling tiles, all of that, and reflected ceiling plan, as well as the lights and where they'll go and how they'll be changed over will kind of be on there too. But there'll also be another lighting plan later on that's closer to like the electrical section for the plans. And so these are going to be the very beginning things that you're going to be learning, the very fundamentals. You'll also see right there where it says scale, and up under the scale it has a certain number. So that scale, actually, I think this is a better picture for it. So you see where it says scale up under rear elevation. So one, this is an elevation drawing. That's what the side of a building looks like. But that scale right there is actually what you use your takeoff software to actually to calibrate it, right? So one of the I'll go ahead and give you guys a little bit of sauce, a little bit of value here so that you can be a better estimator. So if you see a scale, it can be correct, but to make sure that it's correct, you can always go to a door, and a door is normally 3 feet wide. So you set the scale to 3 feet, you measure the door, it'll make the entire drawing associated with that door width size, 3 feet. And now you know that everything is accurate in comparison to just using that scale. But that scale is what you would look at to set on your plans before you start taking everything off, just so that you know that certain distances are the correct distance. So that will be, that's just a quick overview of what's going on there. And what you'll be looking at whenever you first start getting into a set of plans, looking around. This will be during the hand takeoff phase, where you got like 90 of these different markers to try and figure out, like, this is for the walls and the drywall, this is for the studs, this is for how many doors, this is for how many windows, this will be for how many lighting fixtures or plumbing fixtures there are. And you'll be doing all of that kind of in the very beginning before you start getting into software, normally at least. Some places might want you to go ahead and start learning the software first, just because that's what you're going to be doing every day. But if they want to get you to the fundamental levels of estimating and then slowly let you rise, that's probably where you're going to start at. And you'll come soon to find out that trying to remember all of these things and keep them in your head is a lot harder than just doing it on the software and letting it remember and do all of those things for you. But that's where you'll start. And these are the fundamentals, the absolute basics of estimating. And again, like I said, check the link in the description below. It has my website to the company that I started this year, which I am a CEO, and I'm the CEO of True Estimating Solutions, LLC. So that's the link to my website. I have digital products on there, specifically my ebook about estimating, also how to win bids. I have another ebook on there too. I have my direct number. It's also on my website, but all I did was just take it off my website and it's my business number that I put into the description of each one of my videos. That's there specifically for consulting one-on-one, 1 hour per week between me and you, to make sure that I get you to the level that you can actually apply and become an estimator. I am your professor. And I also have a Skool community group, which you can come in, you can join the same way that you can, subscribe here on this platform. And you can come in, you can check my course, which my course is going to have the same exact cover as this video, at least on YouTube. I'm going to also post this on TikTok, and it won't have the same cover. So for you guys who are watching on TikTok, you just have to go to the website, and I'll put that in the description below on there too. But this is, what I'm doing now. This course that I was just talking about is on the same topic, the fundamentals of estimating. Of course, I go way deeper than the overview that I did during this video, but these products are here for you to learn, grow, become an estimator, just like me, to where you can make well over 6 figures per year And yeah, it beats a lot of the jobs that I've worked in the past. So I'll definitely tell you that one. But all right, my name is Nicholas. I'm 28 years old, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.